Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the 3 different methodologies that you could use to form a limited liability company in the state of Maryland. Now obviously the reason why we make all these videos is to give you the right information and insight of exactly what you need to do when you form a limited liability company. And the first thing that you need to understand is what is a limited liability company. Now limited liability company literally means that your personal assets are separate from the assets of the organization or company that you form, and that is one of the major reasons why every single entrepreneur right now in the industry is forming a limited liability company. Now as an example, guys, if you ever go bankrupt or if your company goes bankrupt, your personal assets and the assets of your company are going to be kept separate. The bank will not go for your personal assets or the money that's in your bank account, but your company is going to be liable for itself, and you will be liable for yourself. You would be drawing a salary from the limited liability company, but your personal assets are going to be kept separate, and that is one of the major advantages of forming a limited liability company. Now there's different procedures and legal ramifications for every single state in the United States, and that is the reason why we make all these amazing videos for you. So if you want to form a limited liability company in Texas, in Arizona, or in Washington DC or New York, you got to make sure that you abide by all the obligations, the rules that are in those particular states. In this video, we're going to look at Maryland. Now, the state of Maryland is quite interesting, and I personally absolutely love this state because it makes everything simple, straightforward, and easy. You can easily head over to Maryland One Stop. The One Stop is the central hub for Maryland state licenses, forms, certificates, permit applications, and registrations, and they make things simple, straightforward, and easy. If you want to start a business, all you need to do is click on business, and once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page. Now in today's video, we're going to focus on the state website, which is the maryland.gov, and the information on this website to form a limited liability company. The second thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to share a platform with you where you can easily form a limited liability company following the step-by-step procedure. And the third website and platform that I'm going to share is a very interesting platform where you can get the support and guidance to make sure that you have the right information that is available. Now, as you can clearly see, you can easily form a limited liability company online with the online features. So all we need to do is click on starting a business. As we get to this page, we'll be given a lot of options. For example, planning, where we can create a business plan, find the business funding, pick a location, choose a business structure, select the name, research license and permits, and plan to register our business. Then you can easily start by registering your business in Maryland, obtain the federal tax ID from the IRS, and apply for the Maryland tax accounting and insurance, and obtain the licenses and permits and purchase a business insurance. Then you can manage with maintaining a good standing status and maintaining the license and permits and paying the business taxes and ordering copies of the business documents. And if you want to make any changes or close your business, you can easily do that from here as well. And then you can grow with the workflow development, the funding incentives, the location expansions, and all the elements that are available. Now I know for a fact, guys, that this seems quite overwhelming, and that is one of the reasons why we make these videos, to help you get the right information, so whenever you're starting off, you would always know what you need to look out for. So let's head straight up and go to plan for your business. And once you click on choose a business structure, you'll be given multiple options to choose from. Now there are limited liability companies, general partnerships, sole traders, and corporations. Now we're going to focus on the limited liability company. Now as we do that, you'll get the full information of the hybrid type of legal structure that provides the limited liability features of a corporation and tax efficiencies and operational flexibility of a partnership. The owners are known as members, and depending on the states, the member can consist of a single individual or 2 or more individual corporations or other LLCs. And guys, it's very easy and straightforward to do, but a lot of times people who have never formed a limited liability company before and who are not actually involved in the legal ramifications or business law, they would find it quite overwhelming. And it's for that reason I am introducing you to this website, inkfile.com, the fast, free, award-winning company formation that has helped over 1 million business owners since 2004. And if you're starting a new business, that can be very stressful and expensive, guys, and there's a lot to do to file a limited liability company with varying state requirements, numerous steps, and a lot of important documentation that leave plenty of room for errors and mistakes that can be costly. And that is where Inkfile comes in, because they help you and they make sure that you do not fall into any of these elements, and there's no hidden cost for the subscription. It's completely free with the fastest filing speeds and a free registered agent and free compliance reminders. And the thing that really makes Inkfile stand out, because it goes beyond the limited liability filing. All the tools to grow and manage your business are available. This is a comprehensive set of services that has you covered, from getting your EIN number, which is your employer identification number, and the business licensing, and submitting your annual report. Now, the EIN number is the social security of your organization. And obviously, if you do not have an EIN number, you won't be able to do business in any state for that matter. So it's crucial that you get your EIN number before you start any of these elements. And Inkfile is here to help you with annual reports, registered agents, and virtual addresses, as well as the EIN number and so much more. And you can get access and see everything that's done straight from your dashboard. And all you need to do is click on Get Started. Now, once you do that, what's going to happen is that you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, guys, there's two options available: the entity type and the state of formation. Now, the entity type could be LLC, S corporation, C corporations, or nonprofit. But for this video, we're going to stick with the limited liability company. Once we select the entity type, we're going to see where we can form this limited liability company. Now, every single state is available over here. Because we're focusing on Maryland, we're going to select Maryland. And once we do that, we'll be taken to the next step. Now, there's three packages that are available. You have the silver, the gold, and the platinum. Now, the silver one is for $197. Now, if you can clearly see, the package fee is $0 and the state fee is $197. And this includes the preparation for filing of articles of organization, unlimited name searches, a free registered agent service for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. And the state fee is exactly the amount that is directly paid to the state, and Inkfile does not keep any part of this fee, guys. And as you can see throughout the packages, the state fee remains constant. Only the package fee stays. If you go for the gold, you'll get the comprehensive features to get your business started, and the package fee is $199, making a total of $396, which is a one-time transparent payment. But what you get with it is absolutely brilliant. You get your preparation and filing of article of organization, unlimited name searches, a free registered agent for a year, your EIN business tax number, your IRS form 2553, your operating agreement, your banking resolutions, a lifetime company alerts, online access dashboards, unlimited phone and email support, as well as business banking account and business tax consultation. Now, obviously, guys, if you're an individual that has already formed a limited liability company in the past or has been involved with business law, then you can easily go for the gold. But my recommendation to anyone that is a first-time business developer and an entrepreneur who is starting a limited liability company for the first time, to go for the platinum. This is a full service features of all the best value at $496 with a package fee of $299 and a state fee of a constant $197. And you get business contract templates, free next stage filing, domain name, and a business email. You get everything in the gold and so much more, guys. And I personally feel that this is very crucial for you to understand, because the support, the guidance, and the assistance that you get with Inkfile is very important. And you got to make sure that you cover every single base, because as you grow as a business and you focus on your operations and your sales and your marketing, you got to make sure that your legal side is also taken care of. And this is one of the best methodologies that is available to follow. But a lot of times people tend to ask me that we want to speak to someone directly, and it's for that reason I've included LegalZoom.com, the US legal help in the United States with business formation, wills and trusts, and intellectual property. Now, if you're forming a business, just go to business formation, and then you'll be able to select and kickstart your business. And if you're the LLC, a corporation, a nonprofit, or a doing business as, you can easily select which one do you want, and you can speak to a lawyer directly. You can ask him as many questions as you want, and if you're ready, you can select the name availability, you can check its availability, and you can start your limited liability company and ask any questions you want. And the best thing is the fact that you can just drop a call, and there's always going to be a legal help that's going to be provided to you, so you always have a support, the assistance, and a guidance of a human being always with you, so you always know that if you face any issues at any time, you would have the legal coverage and the legal help in the state of Maryland. Now, if you have any questions, guys, if you need any clarifications, you can always drop us a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.